Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a crypto on SafePal wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the SafePal application and then log into your wallet by using your biometrics or your credentials. Now, once you log into your account, you will be taken into the home page. From the home page, you can simply tap on any cryptocurrency that you want to buy or use the search box to search for the cryptocurrency that you desire. Once you select your currency, you will be able to see the swap button. Simply tap on the swap button and then you will be able to buy your selected crypto. Make sure that the crypto that you want to buy is selected within the receive section. Tap on the drop-down menu and select your desired currency that you want to buy, and then from the pay section you can select what currency you want to use to buy this crypto. After selecting your crypto, you can simply type in the amount that you want to buy or the amount that you want to receive at the right side. Then you can finally tap on the swap button and this will continue with the buying process for your selected crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy any cryptocurrency on the SafePal wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.